Downtown Orlando will see another temporary exit ramp shift on the I-4 Ultimate project. Drivers need to pay close attention to this change as it is a new traffic pattern. As soon as Friday, the combined ramp at South Street and State Road 408 will be changing. Exit eastbound I-4 here to get to both South Street and the 408. Then, to get to South Street, drivers will need to stay in the left lane to exit the ramp here. To get to State Road 408, stay in the right lane and continue on the ramp here. The new configuration of the exit ramp to State Road 408 will run adjacent to Division Avenue and Gore Street. A barrier wall will separate the ramp from these local roads. This temporary configuration will be in place for about 17 months and will allow construction crews a safe workspace to demolish the old ramp bridge over I-4. Stay informed about the project by logging on to i4ultimate.com. The website has information about the entire 21-mile corridor and what changes are being made. On the website, you can sign up for route-specific email and text alerts and our monthly e-newsletter.